bruschetta with nduja. So grilled bread is excellent, but you must have it on an Italian table. But if you make crostini out of that grilled bread, it could be even better. So let me show you some. Here we have a different selection, but the first one, let me do some ricotta. Just simple, plain ricotta on grilled bread, just like that. Like that. That's it. Let's spread that. Right. An anchovy, filet of anchovy. 1, 2, just like that. A little bit of peperoncino, just a little bit. Give it a little bit of that zest. A little bit of olive oil, just a drizzle of olive oil. And this is a great crostino, and it's called ricotta elettrica, electric ricotta, because it has all those flavors. And Chef Fortunato Nicotra at Lidia makes it all the time for the bar menu or an aperitivo, and it's just delicious and easy to make, just like that. So that's one. Let's go to the next one. Nduja. You could call it a sausage, but it's not. It's a paste. And it's a paste of the bacon with peperoncino, the spicy peperoncino. Typical of Calabria. Down there, peperoncino reigns. And so to preserve the meat from the pork, when they kill it, they make it into this paste. Add a lot of peperoncino. Peperoncino will preserve it. And this paste that turns just like that will last the whole year. And in Calabria, they're certainly going to make a crostino, which I'm going to show you, but they use it in pasta sauces. When they make pasta, a tablespoon in that, a teaspoon in the soup, just mix it in. It gives it all that flavor. But let's make crostino. This is a big loaf, so let's cut it like that. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. And, you know, all you do is you spread it. Almost like peanut butter. But it's quite different than peanut butter. It's spicy, it's zesty. And very typical when you visit a home in Calabria, one of the first things that you will get is one of these. Just to munch on while you have your glass of wine, while you're waiting for your meal. Okay. And you can just leave all of this. You can make the bruschetta just like that for your guests, but you could also leave your toppings and the bread and let your guests make some. So I would just add a little bit of freshness and color with some scallions or whatever other vegetable you might have chopped fine like that. That's one. Then let's see some other, what else do I have? I have roasted peppers. I have the smothered onions, and peppers and onions are always delicious. So let's just and this just, I took things that I had in the kitchen that I was getting ready or whatever. Bruschettas are as simple as that. What you have a little bit of leftover vegetables or a little bit of smothered onions, as you see here, or just a little slice of prosciutto left over, or if you have your nduja in your refrigerator, that lasts forever. So here we are. We have 3 beautiful bruschettas. I can't resist. I have that nduja call, if you will. Spicy, breaks up your palate, but it has a lot of deep flavor. It really is delicious and easy to make.